Hello everybody. Myself, Dr. Ravi Nayan Khade, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology. Let Kushal Patil's Arts and Science College, Resort, District Washington. Today we have to, in last lecture we have to already discuss the respiratory pigments. Today we have to discuss the neurophysiologic control of this condition. Means the what is the main important role of neurons in the control of respiration. Let us we will now discuss the neurophysiological control of respirations. Let's see regulation of respiration. The, the diagram. The diagram is nerves, motor cortex, pons, respiratory neurons, the tract, bulbous spinal cord, spinal tracts, cervical cords, the diaphragms. Okay, regulation of respiration, voluntary regulation. That is cerebral cortex. Involuntarily, regularly, but they are not forget. That is the involuntary. This total regulation, they are neural regulation and also called as chemical regulation. Is voluntary as well as involuntary regulation. They are included into the neural regulation as well as chemical regulation. Advantages of voluntary regulation. Facility activity like talking, swimming, singing, laughing, breath holding, and hyperventilation. Means in case of the voluntary regulation, when we will take any decision, that decision we have to stop because that decision also we have to control. That also called as means when you we are doing the any work, any functioning job at that time when in our mind that particular work is stopped at that time. That works we have to give command to control that activity, therefore also called as that such the activity also called as voluntary activity. In case of the up and down of the pupil of the eye, that is the up and down, that continuously regularly involuntary process. In case of the another example, that is the involuntary case, that is the heartbeat continue of the relax contrast continually, that is the involuntary process. Means that are not the control they only the neurons. Okay, advantages of involuntary in case of the can breathe even during sleep. ज्यावेळेस आपण झोपतो त्यावेळेसही आपलं हार्टचं जे ब्रिथिंग आहे ब्रिथिंग चालू राहते. इनहेल एक्सेल. That is the advantages of involuntary function. Okay, this voluntary as well as involuntary advantages of the control. Uh, then for respiratory control system, central control, that is pons or medulla oblongata, that is the part of the brains. When any situation also occurs at that time, effectors means respiratory muscles, they sense, they give the idea, that is the sensors. That idea give the with the help of hormones, or we can say that chemo receptors, lungs, and other receptors, and then input, and then we will take a decision when we will we are talking, we walking on farms, but in front of our farms the snake. At that time our brain say the commands, uh, don't take against the snake. At that time our brain give the command. त्यावेळेस आपलं ब्रेन आम्हाला कमांड देणार की आपण बॅक साईडला जाऊ. ओके, this type of the respiratory control system, they also occurs in our daily life. Respiratory centers, The composed of several groups of neurons located bilaterally in medulla and pons, the brainstem, dorsal respiratory groups. Several groups that groups of neurons they are bilaterally located in the medulla as well as pons. The one is that is the dorsal respiratory groups. The another is ventral respiratory groups. Then pneumotactic centers and pneumatic centers means in case of the dorsal respiratory mainly for inspiration. Ventral there is the inspiration and expiration. Is in dorsal respiratory inspiration means air to remove the air or to remove the CO2 from the nose or mouth. That is the inspiration. In case of the ventral respiratory inspiration, expiration. That means inhale, exhale. It is mode of this sentence causes of transition of inspiration to expiration. The control rate as well as depth of breathing. Hypnotic should center and the causes the prolonged inspiration. What is the prolonged? These are the groups. They are connected. So the neurons they are located bilaterally in the middle as well as pons. Then introductions. Like a heartbeat, breathing must occur in a continuous cycle pattern to sustain life process. Inspiratory muscles must ultimately control, contract, and relax to alternately fill the lung with air and empty them. Okay. The rhythmic pattern of breathing is established by cyclic neural activity to the respiratory muscles. The nerve supply to the respiratory system is absolutely essential in maintaining of breathing and in reflexively adjusting the level of ventilation to match the oxygen and uptake at that time or remove of CO2, means carbon dioxide. The respiratory activity can be randomly modified to accomplish speaking, singing, playing a instrument, or holding one's breath while singing. Component of neural control or of respiration. Three distinct components. Factor that generate alternating inspiration expiration rhythms, factor that regulate magnitude of ventilations, that is the rate and the rate of the breathing too much body needs, factor that modify respiratory activity to serve other purpose, neural controls the primary respiratory control central, that is the medulla respiratory center. It consists of the several aggregations of neuronal cells bodies within the medulla that provide output to the respiratory muscle. Two other respiratory centers lie higher in the brain stem in the pons. That is the pneumotaxic center and phonetic center. This point of the center influences out from the middle of respiratory center. This diagram respiratory controls central in brainstem, pons, structure of pons, respiratory centrals, medulla respiratory centers. In case of the pons, the pneumatic centers and aquatic centers, pre-motoric complex, dorsal respiratory center and ventral respiratory groups. The two groups. The medulla. Fourth, ventricles, dorsal respiratory groups, vision, vagus, pneumotoxic centrals, inhibits ventral respiratory motors. The medulla respiratory centers consist of two clusters known as DRG or also known as VRG, means the dorsal respiratory group and ventral respiratory group. The DRG consists of mostly inspiratory neurons whose descending fiber terminate on the motor neuron that supply the inspiratory muscles. When in case of the ventral respiratory groups, the VRG, the component of inspiratory neurons and expiratory neurons, both which remain inactive during normal quit breath. Okay, this region also called into the play by the DRG, dorsal respiratory groups, as an overdrive mechanism during the trade phase. The demands of ventilation are increased. It is especially important in active expiration. The pneumatic and respiratory centers. These two centers, the respiratory centers in the folds of the exert fine tuning in place over the medulla center. The pneumatic center send the impulses to the VRG that help the switch off the infrared neurons, limited the duration of the inspiration. The epinephrine center prevent the inspiratory neurons from being switched off to provide the extra boost to the inspiratory drive. It is the check and balance system. Plus, it is also it is in this check and balance system the neighborhood of the center dominates over the epinephrine centers, uh, helping that inspiration and letting expiration occurs normally. Without pneumotoxic break, the breathing pattern consists of prolonged inspiratory gaps. Uh, uh, that is the we can say that in briefly expiration. This normal breathing pattern is known as anemis, apodixis, reflex modification of breathing. Here, the hearing Murray's reflex when the tidal volume is large, like greater than 1 liters, we can say that it is large. As during the exercise, the hearing Murray's reflex is triggered to prevent the over inflation of the lung. Triggered the over to prevent overinflation of the lungs. Pulmonary stretch receptors within the smooth muscle layer of the airways are activated by stretching of the lung at large tidal volumes. Action of potential from this stretch receptors travel to the afferent nerves fiber to the medulla center and inhibit the inspiratory neurons. These hearing mirrors inflection reflex dorsal respiratory group of neuron. So dash, there is a dash indicate indicate that the inhibition means the inspiration tidal volume more than stretching the lungs. When stimulation occurs, stretch in the air passage, then impulses through the vagal efforts, and then the emission of DGM. Is the automatic nerve system in lungs, but here elastic fiber stretched reflex and elastic fiber relaxed lung alveoli, higher center of the brain, and the speech, emotion, voluntary control of the breathing and action of protein in the potential in motor smart proteins, action potential in motor pathway, medulla, chemotherapies, carotenoids, and aortic body, hearing, reflex, through prioceptors, muscles and joints, receptors for touch, temperature, and pain points. It is divergently carotid body, aortic body, a input of respiratory center in the middle of the and forms modified the inspiration to the influence of chemical factors on respirations. The magnitude of ventilation is adjusted in response to three chemical factors PO2, CO2 and H means hydrogens. The arterial blood gases are maintained within normal range by varying the magnitude of ventilations, the rate and depth of breathing to match the body needs for oxygen uptake and CO2 removal. The chemical control of respiration an example of negative feedback control system. The control variable are the blood gas tensions, especially carbon dioxide. Chemoreceptor sense the value of the gas tensions at the peripheral chemoreceptors. The diagram sense tension of oxygen and carbon dioxide and hydrogen in blood. Central chemo receptors situated near the surface of the medulla of the brainstem. The response of the hydrogen of the cerebrospinal fluid. The cerebrospinal fluid is separated from the blood by the blood-brain barriers, are relatively impermeable to the hydrogen and hydrogen bicarbonates. CO2 diffuses readily. Cerebrospinal fluid contains the less protein than the blood and hence the less buffer than blood. The reaction carbon dioxide water gives uh, biogram S2CO3. Then hydrogen plus HCO3. The lack of oxygen is decrease the overall functioning of brain. Hypoxic drive or respiration. The effect is all via the peripheral chemoreceptors stimulated the arterial your falls at a low level. It is not important in normal respiration, may become important in patient with the chronic carbon dioxide retention. Example, patient with COPD, it is important at high altitude. The hydrogen drive of respiration. The hydrogen drive of respiration, the effect via the peripheral chemoreceptors means hydrogen does not readily cross the blood-brain barriers. The peripheral chemoreceptor play a major role or important role in adjusting or acidosis caused by the addition of non-carbonic acid H plus to the blood. The example lactic acid during the exercise and diabetic ketoacidosis. Their stimulation of hydrogen causes the ventilation and increased elimination of CO2 from the body. Is remember CO2 can generate H plus, so its increased elimination help reduce the load of hydrogen in the body. It is important in acid base balance. Influences of chemical factors on receptors. Chemical factor effect and then effect on the central nervous receptors. Thank you.